At Pamusan, the production process of fabric pouches begins as soon as your order reaches us. Our graphic design team converts your request into a technical template suitable for DTF printing and shares it with you for approval. Once the approval is received, the prints coming out of our DTF machines are carefully checked for color accuracy, size, and detail. After quality control, unprinted fabric pouches are prepared according to the order quantity. The products are placed on the heat press machines, and DTF prints are applied in the positions specified by the customer, completing the professional pressing process. After printing, the transferred stickers are peeled off one by one, and each product is inspected for print quality and quantity accuracy. The approved fabric pouches are placed into clean, protective bags, product templates are added, and they are packed into shipping bags. All orders are prepared for dispatch with a focus on timely production and secure delivery.